In this video, let's see some sensors. The turntable stops every 10 seconds. This sensor is to control the fading machine. This sensor is to control putting the sleeves on the tube. When you adjust the position of the sensor, you have to make sure the light of the sensor can exactly point to the sachet and the bottom of the tube. Let's have a try. The tube is here. You can see the red light. Only when the sensor can detect the tube that the fading machine can fill. The same as this sensor, when its light detected the bottom, the sachet of the tube, then the sleeves can be put on the tube. And when the tube is on this hole, on this position, you can't take it out. Because maybe you can hurt your fingers or your hands. So if you want to take it out, you have to wait when it's in other position. If you need to adjust these two sensors position, then you can screw these two screws. So sometimes you can see the cylinder. This one is not that upright. Sometimes it's inclined, a little cleaned. This sensor is to detect if there comes out a tube. When the tube comes out, the sensor detected the tube, and this one can hold on the tube. And this sensor is to detect the hole. When the sensor detected the holes, then the tubes can be put on the hole. When the tube is on this hole, this cylinder will press down to make the tube stable at the bottom of the hole. Let's see how to hold it tight. First, hold the tube. Then let's see the process carefully again. At first, hold on the tube tight. Then put the tube on the hole. Then press the tube. This sensor is to detect the tubes. When it finds here comes a tube, then this cylinder will take it out and to the box. This sensor is to detect when the tube was not taken out by this cylinder. The tube is still on the hole, then the turntable will stop to work. This sensor is to detect the sleeves. When the light finds here comes a sleeve, then the cylinder will push the sleeves and make it move. At the same time, when the sensor detected one sleeves, then this vibrating disc will also stop to work, until the first sleeve was taken out, then it can still go on working. You can see when there is still a sleeve on here, then the second one will not move until it was taken out. The first one was taken out. Then let's say these two small sensors, this one and this one. We need to see these two sensors controller. These two sensors is to detect the direction of the sleeves. You can see there is a leg. There is a leg. But on this side, it's a circle. There is not a leg like this. When the leg of the sleeves on the left side, you can see their controllers, the working light are bright, the orange light, and there are 9999, and this one is also 9999. Then when both they are the 4 nines, then this side, the left side needle will work. On the other hand, when this leg is on the right side, and this orange light is dark, it's not bright, it's not work, and the number is not 9999, it's others, but this one is 9999 and the light is orange light. So in this way, this right side needle will work. So every time when you turn on the machine, you have to check if these two needles can move up and down, if they are on their hole. The last sensor is to detect if the cylinder is on the left, at the edge of the left side. Only when the cylinder is at the edge of the left, then the cylinder can work, press down the needles. Because when the cylinder is at other side, when it work, it will broken these other parts, the needles or some other sensors. In general, when all sensors work, their light will become orange, and they are these controllers. And before you start make the machine start to work, you have to adjust all the sensors at the correct position by seeing if their light, this red light, is bright. When they are bright, then you have adjusted the sensors at the correct position.